Alright, so I know I said that the next video would be putting the motor in the car, but I don't really have a good explanation as to why, but I just didn't film it. I just was really excited to get it done, and it was kind of a pain in the ass the whole way through, so I don't know, it just seemed like for some reason, even though the motor and trans came out of the car, it magically didn't want to go back in. But everything's back in and hooked up. I have the plug wires unhooked right now, and I just sat and had the car cranking to build oil pressure. So realistically now it's just putting the plug wires in it and firing it up, and I am completely fucking terrified. I know I should be excited because, you know, I got a built motor now and all this stuff, but I am legitimately fucking terrified. But part of it is the first time I tried to crank it and build oil pressure, I hooked the battery up and it was fine, and I went to crank the car and it wouldn't crank, it just lost power. So I came and I looked, and the everything looked okay, so I unhooked the battery, you know, it was checking for any obvious signs of shorts. Hooked the battery back up and it sparked really hard, and I seen a little bit of smoke. Well, after a few minutes of digging around and looking at stuff, the power wire on the starter, the stud that comes through the starter for the power wire to screw onto is like screwed up. So if the wire like sits down, it shorts it, but if it just kind of like sits up a little bit, it's fine. So I'm gonna go probably later today or tomorrow or something, pick up a new starter. Oh my god, man, I'm like, half of me is super excited to fire it up, and the other half of me is just fucking terrified. But I'm gonna shut up for a second, spin you guys around. I did get some new parts, so I'll just kind of show you guys everything, and then I guess we'll fire it up. So here it is all put together. Oh my god, I'm so scared but so excited. Even with this light, my valve cover still looks blue, but I promise you it's purple. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that it's purple, not blue. But painted a few pieces gold, like the cam gear, the fuel rail. I still got to put the radiator hold down on, but that's gold. It got a catch can, and I'm gonna run it vented style. One from the valve cover and then one through the PCV, and I did drill out the internals of the PCV valve, so that way it doesn't build pressure, it'll just free flow into the catch can. And I put a cap on the intake manifold for the port where the PCV would go to. But everything's done. Pretty happy, pretty nervous. It's a whole bunch of emotions rolled into one, but I guess I'll shut up and turn the key and see what happens. Well, I guess here goes nothing. Real quick though, everybody just say a prayer or something. Send me good vibes, because I'm scared as shit. so fucking happy. Everything looks good. No leaks. Got no fuel leaks. Got no coolant leaks. Everything's good. Got a little bit of fluid burning off the downpipe, but that's okay. Plus there's a fresh gasket in there, so I'm sure that'll get a little hot. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Alright, that's where I'm going to end it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I couldn't be any fucking happier. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.